I welcome you all once again for the second day of your spoken English classes. Welcome to SP Smart Hybrid Schooling System. I want everyone to switch on the cameras, bache, and I really want to wish you a very good morning. It's a beautiful day, and we are going to start up with a new topic for the day too, that is contractions. So, bache, again, I'm repeating the rule for the class. You are not supposed to speak in Hindi. Whenever you are communicating to me, or you have some doubt, or you want to highlight some doubt to me, you have to purely speak in English. It doesn't matter whether you're speaking right or wrong, but ultimately you need to speak. Unless until you won't speak, I won't be able to help you out with the corrections. I won't be able to help you out in your what? I won't be able to help you out with your improvements, bache. Right? So, it's a very basic topic. What do you mean by contractions? Can anyone help me with the definition of contraction, or in a simple word, can you explain what do you mean by contractions, bache? Yes, Mehruza.
So by contraction, for example, in last sentence, we can contract it and made a small word. We can explain it by a small word.
It is all about the sentences, or you make contractions for the words.
Sir?
Yes, Vasundhara bache.
Sir, contraction means a contraction of is a word that combines two words like can plus not cannot can't like
It's
that.
okay, good. Yes, when we are making the short forms of the words, right? And we are using them in spoken, it has a very good relevance when it comes to the spoken English. Your contractions are used in spoken English, though they have some significance for writing part too, but they play an important role when it comes to your spoken English. So we will be discussing few contractions today. I will be helping you out with the right pronunciation of the same. What we will be doing next, after going through the contraction, we will be knowing the right pronunciation of the same, and definitely we will be practicing those pronunciations so that we can inculcate those words in our speaking skills in order to make our speaking skills more effective. Is it clear, bache?
Yes,
So
sir.
starting up with the first word, it's can plus not. How do you pronounce it, bache?
Can't.
It's
Can't.
it's can't. Okay, open your mics. Unmute your mics. You have to repeat behind me. Can plus not is can't.
Can plus not.
You just have to focus on the pronunciation part for the contraction. Okay? You just have to speak the pronunciation part for the contraction. It's can't.
Can
Can.
It's not can't. It's k. Say k. Can't. Yeah. Can't. Okay.
Can.
Do plus not is don't. Should plus
Students,
not.
turn on your cameras.
Should plus not is
Turn
shouldn't.
on your cameras, beta.
Shouldn't.
shouldn't
Could plus can't is couldn't. Couldn't. How do you pronounce it? Couldn't. No, not you don't have to pronounce it like couldn't. It's not k. It's couldn't. Right?
Wouldn't.
Would plus not is wouldn't.
Wouldn't.
What is it?
Wouldn't.
Wouldn't. Right? Has plus
Wouldn't.
not is hasn't.
Hasn't.
I plus will is I'll.
I'll.
It's I'll.
I'll.
Yes. It's not I will, it's I'll. Speak it once again. It's I'll. They plus will is they'll. 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 Say they'll.
There.
Okay.
There.
He plus will is hill.
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 Like
Hill.
hey, hill. Hill.
Hill.
Hill.
Hill.
Okay. Their plus is theirs.
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 See, S में and we have to replace S sound with Z. Theirs. Theirs.
Theirs.
Okay. Who plus is whose.
Whose?
Whose. Okay.
Theirs.
Your.
U plus R is your.
Your.
Your. What is it? Your.
Your.
Okay. They plus R is their.
There.
Their.
You are.
Say, okay, listen. They
You are.
are.
They
are.
They are.
इसको साथ में बोलिए. इसको साथ. They are. They are. Okay.
There.
Would
There.
plus
They are.
have. Would plus have is would have.
Whatever.
It's would have. Would have. Okay. Say would have. Would have. Okay. They plus have. They've. Speak. They've. Okay. So you need to practice at your home. I will be giving you the activities how you're gonna practice this, and you need to make the video and do the same procedure what we did yesterday. So is there any problem with any of the word? You should not use the whole word now when you are speaking. You have to use the contractions. Contractions are meant for spoken English only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's practice more. Let's practice that plus is. It's that's. What? It's
That's.
that's Z. Halka sa Z will be coming at the end. That's.
That's.
The very first word is that's all. That's all. Say that's all. That's all means that is all. Right? Say that's all I want.
That's all I want.
Yeah. Say that's all I want.
That's all I want.
It means that is all I want.
That's all I want.
That's all I want.
That's all I want.
That's
Mama.
All.
Say, Mama, that's all I want.
Mama.
That's all I want.
That's all I want.
Right? This means that is all I want. Come to the next one. That's it.
That's
That's
That's it.
That's it.
That's it means that is it. What does it mean? That is
That
it.
is it.
Okay. That's my son.
That's my son.
That's my son.
See,
That's my son.
have
That's
to-
my son.
okay, listen to me once. You have to stretch S a bit only. That's my son.
That's my son.
That's my son means this is my son. ये मेरा बेटा है. That's my son.
That's my son.
That's my son.
That's
son.
that's
That's
बोलो that's
My son.
my son.
yeah. Come to another sentence. That's my child.
That's my child. That's my child. That's my child.
That's my child.
That's my child.
That's my child.
What does this mean?
This is my child.
That is my child. That is my child.
That is
my
That is my child. वो मेरा बच्चा है, right? वो मेरा child है. That's my daughter.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter. That's my daughter.
That is my daughter. वो मेरी बेटी है, right? That's what I wanted to say.
That's what I wanted to say.
Say
That's what I wanted to say.
That's what I wanted to say.
that's what I wanted to say.
That's what I want.
What I wanted to say.
This means that is what I wanted
That
to
is
say.
what I want. That is what I
Okay. Okay. You are sitting and your friend is planning for a visit to Way Mall, and Vasundhara says, "That's a good idea." What? That's a good idea.
That's
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
That's- You don't have to say that is a good idea. It is good if you take it as if you write it down in the written form of English, but spoken is quite different from the written form of English, right? We have to use contractions in spoken English. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Perfect.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Perfect. So is there any problem with that's contraction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All done?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
All cool?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we are moving to the next contraction, that is what plus is. What's.
What's?
Are you using WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's what's.
Yes, sir. What's?
वो वाला what's.
What's?
Yes.
WhatsApp.
What's?
What do you mean by WhatsApp? Everyone is using WhatsApp nowadays, but I really want to know the meaning of the WhatsApp.
What is going on or
Yes,
what?
what's happening? Right? What's up? Hey, hi, what's up? It means what's happening, right? Okay. So, what's going on?
What's going on?
What's
going on?
What's going to happen?
What's going on? क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What's going on means क्या चल रहा है, right? बोलो एक बार. What's going
What's
on?
Going on.
What's going on?
It means what is going on.
What's
going on?
It means क्या चल रहा है. What is going on? Okay. What's that? ये क्या है?
What's that?
What's that?
Say what's
that?
that? What's that?
What's that?
इसका मतलब है what is that?
What is that?
What's happening? What's up? What's happening?
What's happening? What's happening?
Going to happen?
No. What's happening मतलब क्या हो रहा है? What is going to happen नहीं बच्चे, क्या हो रहा है? Bisma, right? What's happening? क्या हो रहा है? What is happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
What's happening?
Right? What's going to happen?
What's going to happen?
What's going
What's
to
going to happen? What is going to happen? मतलब क्या होने वाला है? So what is का contraction is what's. What's going to happen? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Again, when we use has with what, it again pronounces as it is, right? What's. What's been happening?
What's been happening?
What's been happening means what has been happening.
Happening.
Okay.
What's been happening?
What's been going on?
What has been happening?
What's been going on? Say. Speak.
What's been going on? What's been going on?
Okay. It means what is going to happen. Sorry. What has been going on? क्या चल रहा है? Right? Okay. So now we will be having a look over it is. It is का pronunciation क्या? It's. It's. And में Z, हल्का सा Z will be coming. It's. How do you pronounce it?
Yes, sir.
It's.
It's
It's a man.
It's a man.
It's a man means it is a man.
It's a man.
It's a woman.
It is a man.
No. Okay, wait. Woman नहीं होता है. There is no woman. It's woman.
Women.
Woman.
It's
Woman.
woman. It's woman. No.
It's woman.
Woman is a wrong pronunciation. It's woman.
Woman.
Woman. Okay. Okay, hold on. Everyone say man. हमारा मन होता है ना. Say man. मन के साथ वू लगा दो, वुमन,
Woman.
वुमन, या वुमन, इट्स अ वुमन. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who? Man. Woman. Got it?
Woman.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If this is clear to you, please thumbs up. Please keep your thumbs up. Please show me your thumbs on the screen. Show me your thumbs. Show me your thumbs. Yes, thumbs up. Okay. Tejasvi has shown. What about Envy? It's not clear to you, bache? If it's clear, please thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Dikshita, very good. Okay, it's clear. It's woman, right? The right pronunciation is woman. It's a boy. Okay, Chahat, done? It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Boy. Right? It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a good time.
It's a good time.
Good thing.
Or it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Okay, coming to the next one.
Not a good thing.
It's not a good thing.
It's not a good thing.
Yes.
It's not a good thing.
Perfect.
It's not a good thing.
Now it's coming. Now it's coming. It's not a good thing. It's
It's
time
not
to
a
go.
good thing. That's not a good thing.
Okay.
It's time
Say,
to go.
say this sentence.
Time to go.
It's time to go.
Time to go.
Okay, now hold on.
It's time to go.
Okay, hold on. What do you mean by it's time to go?
It is time to go. Time we have to leave.
It's time to go.
Yes, it's time to leave.
Time to go.
Zikra Shafi has given the right and perfect answer. It's time to go means now it's time to leave. It is time to go. अब जाने का time आ गया है. Right? It's time to leave. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. It's a good day to die.
It's a good day.
It's a good day to
It's
die.
a good day to die.
Okay. It's a good speech.
It's a good speech.
It's hot. It's hot.
Hot.
It's hot.
If
Too hot.
I say it's boiling hot outside, what does this mean? Say it's boiling hot. It's boiling hot outside.
It's boiling hot outside.
What does this mean?
It is boiling out.
Boil क्या
Too
करता
hot
है?
outside.
बॉयल क्या करता है? वाटर, मिल्क, एनीथिंग जिसको आप टेम्परेचर देंगे वो बॉयल करेगा. मतलब कि बाहर बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सेस में गर्मी है, उसे हम कहते हैं ओ आई एम बर्निंग, इट्स बॉइलिंग हॉट आउटसाइड. मैं जल रहा हूँ, बाहर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. आर यू गेटिंग इट बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will be helping you out with idioms too. You know what do you mean by idioms? हिंदी में मुहावरे पढ़े हैं?
Yes, sir.
जैसे
Yes, sir.
बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Right? I will be giving you some idioms, some easy idioms in English, which we will be using in our English language. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Winter.
Winter.
It's
Winter.
summer.
It's summer.
It's summer.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to pronounce it plus has in the same way as we have pronounced it plus is. Right? It's been a good day.
It's been a good day.
A good day.
It's
It's been a good day.
Yeah.
It's been a good day.
It's been a good
It's
day
been one
means
of those days.
very good. It's been good. That means it has been good. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? It's been good का क्या मतलब हुआ?
It has been good.
No. Help me. See. बच्चे, hold on. Help me with the meaning of
All
it's
of you,
been
switch
good.
on your cameras, beta. Switch on your cameras.
Help me with this line. It's been good. What do you mean by it's been good?
Right.
मतलब सब अच्छा था, सब अच्छा है, right? Okay. It's been a wonderful life. It's been a trying time.
It's a trying time.
Okay. Is it clear? Now we are switching to another contraction, that is theirs.
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 Theirs. Z. Theirs. Theirs.
Theirs.
There's one.
Theirs.
Say there's one.
There's one.
Theirs.
Okay. Hold on. Before going with the sentences, please pronounce there plus is. How you gonna pronounce it?
There.
Theirs.
Theirs.
Theirs. Z will be
There.
attend.
Theirs.
Z.
Theirs.
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 Theirs. Okay. There's one.
There's one.
There's one.
There's another.
There's one.
Say there's another.
There's another. There's another.
How will you pronounce this line? Please pronounce.
There's a red.
There's a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
The
There's
right.
a red balloon.
Okay. Please listen to me. The right pronunciation for balloon is not right pronunciation. The right pronunciation is balloon.
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 There's a red balloon.
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 There's a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
There's a red
It's
balloon.
not balloon. Balloon is wrong. It's balloon.
Balloon.
There's a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
Okay.
There's a red balloon.
Okay. Listen to me properly. Say
Balloon.
loon.
Balloon.
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 Balloon. नहीं आएगा. Balloon नहीं आएगा. It's balloon.
Balloon.
Okay. There's a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
There is a red balloon.
There's a red balloon.
Very good. There's gold in those hills.
There.
There's.
Does gold those hills.
Okay. Where there's water, there's life.
Where there's water, there's life.
Practice this line. Say where
There's
there's
Water, there's life.
Water, there's
where there's
Where
water,
there is water.
there
Where
is
there's
नहीं. No,
water,
again you are doing
life.
it wrong. Again you are doing it wrong.
Where?
Where there's water,
Where-
there's life.
Where there's water, there's
Where
life.
there's water, there's life.
water, there's life.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
There's a lot of water in the river.
There's a lot of water
There's a lot of water in the
See,
river.
a lot of water in the
you
river.
have to focus on Z. There's. Z.
There's a lot of water in the river.
There's
Okay.
a lot of water in the river. There's a lot of water in the river.
There's a lot of water in the river.
Okay, perfect. And how we pronounce this word? Balloon.
Balloon.
Again you are wrong.
Balloon.
Ba नहीं आएगा. It's only b. Ba नहीं. Balloon.
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 Okay. So we are going with the negative of the same. There's not a lot I can do about
There's
it.
not a lot I can do.
There's not a lot I can
do about it.
Okay.
I can.
There isn't much I can do about it. There isn't.
There
Isn't.
is not
I can do.
Okay. How you gonna pronounce is plus not is isn't.
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 Okay.
Isn't.
Will plus not is won't.
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 Will not. Won't.
Will plus not is won't.
Won't.
Say won't.
Won't.
No, no.
Won't.
It's o. It's won't. Won't.
Won't.
Won't. Okay.
Won't.
Switch off your mics for a while. Switch it off. It's won't. Wo. O की मात्रा won't. It's not something which you were pronouncing. It's like won't. अब pronounce करो. Switch it on.
Won't.
Okay.
Won't.
So class, we will keep till here, and definitely we will be coming back to the rest of the contractions. Please switch off your mics. So it was all about today. We have discussed regarding the contractions.